Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think even though we are pulling back right now that this is going to end up continuing the uptrend, probably eventually going all the way up and taking out these highs. I think this uptrend is either going to be a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1, which either scenario definitely doesn't matter to me because either way, I think it's going to go up and take out these highs. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this is an uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Most likely, I think we've already made an ABC of 2. And I still believe that anything we see to the downside is going to be nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. And that it's going to continue going up to make that wave 3, 4, and wave 5. Just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, definitely a very strong move ever since we had that pound CPI last week. But I still think this move down is nothing more than a correction to this last move up, and I still think it's going to end up making some sort of a three-way pattern and most likely continuing the uptrend, all subdivisions of a much bigger wave 3. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is all just one section of downtrend, all lower lows, lower highs. I still believe that this is probably going to start making its way up, probably to one of these fib levels to make a wave B, probably before it heads down to make a wave C. This week is federal funds rate for the US dollar. I think there's a very good likelihood that the Wednesday's news is going to cause this to end the correction and most likely continue the uptrend. So taking it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I do think that this is probably going to start making its way up today, probably all part of a wave A, probably eventually make a correction to that for the wave B, and then back up again to the wave C. I would say it would at least go up to one of these 3 Fibonacci levels to finish an ABC of wave B before it heads down again to make a wave C. And if Wednesday, when the news is about to come out, if it looks anything like this, then I would say the news is very, very likely to cause this to end the correction and to continue the uptrend, all subdivisions of that big wave 3 like I was showing on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.